Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, Your Excellency, Honorable William Samoei Ruto, my colleague, Excellency Governors, Cabinet Secretaries present, Excellency Ambassadors and Heads of Missions, all protocols observed, good afternoon. Opakruoth, Ungima, Amoso. Your Excellency, today marks a significant moment as we gather to celebrate the fruition of my sister and Gladys Wanga's visionary leadership in organizing the second Homa Bay International Investment Conference. On behalf of the Council of Governors, I would wish to extend our heartfelt congratulations to Governor Wanga and her team for their exceptional dedication and foresight in orchestrating this landmark event. The vibrancy and dynamism exhibited in bringing together stakeholders from diverse sectors and geographies epitomize the spirit of progressive governance and socio-economic advancement. In the spirit of our theme, Unlocking the Bay of Endless Potential, let us embrace change and innovation in the ever-evolving landscape of investment. As Winston Churchill once said, the pessimist will complain about the wind, the optimist expects it to change, while the realist adjusts the sail. In the spirit of this theme, we ask that we embrace change and innovation in the ever-evolving landscape of investment. The Homa Bay County International Investment Conference serves as a beacon of progress, not just for Homa Bay County, but for the entire nation. It provides a platform for collaboration between different levels of government, the private sector, and key stakeholders. The theme is not just a slogan, but a call to action. It is an acknowledgement that our counties are rich in resources, skills, and untapped opportunities. As we deliberate on this agenda, we are essentially charting a course for sustainable growth that goes beyond the conference. Yesterday, Your Excellency, the women governors pre-launched the G7 strategy. The plan aims to empower and support the 7 female governors in demonstrating efficient and strategic governance within the devolved structures, a crucial approach to ensure the successful implementation of our plan is women's economic empowerment and financial inclusion. Your Excellency, it is our hope with leaders like Gladys Wanga, Cecily Mbarire, Susan Kehika, and all the other female governors and Wavinya Ndeti who are here, that will set an example that will help us achieve in elected governor's office 30% of women governors in the next election. That is why we are saying G7 to G16. Your Excellency, county governments are in sync with the national agenda of bolstering the country's production capacity to revitalize key sectors, aiming to enhance productivity and eliminate hunger and lower the cost of living. Your Excellency, each of the 47 county governments has unique opportunities for investments and are working with the private sector and stakeholders under the implementation of the KIPES initiative to ensure that we are working to improve employability and to bring investments in this in our counties. Your Excellency, in addition, the counties have gone further to provide a conducive business environment. They have worked in the adoption of digital technologies. They're working with youth empowerment and establishment of incubation hubs. Your Excellency, we are also providing necessary infrastructure and amenities so as to attract these investors. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, and Your Excellency, as a council, we note and appreciate the role of the private sector as partners in transforming the county's development and growth through investment. We are very grateful to the private sector for your contribution is immense and is evident across all the counties. As I conclude, I would wish to urge us to seize this opportunity to work together, to share insights, and pave the way for a brighter future, not only for Homa Bay, but for all counties in our great nation. I am confident that this conference will serve as a catalyst for transformative change and set a precedent for collaborative economic development initiatives across Kenya. To my sister, Governor Gladys Wanga, your fervor for leadership echoes the famous Luo proverb, Rabot Thako Kileng. Rabot Thako Kileng. For those who don't know, Angeo Dholuo Martin, meaning a woman's throw never misses its target. This sentiment is vividly manifested in the proceedings of this conference. We wish you all the best and success in the conference. May you get many investors, and may all the women governors thrive from G7 to G16. Asanteni sana, erokamano.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. Anne Waiguru, our chair, and our G7 champion. Your Excellency, these ladies have been here with me since Sunday. They have, we've had a good time here. They have really supported, and Your Excellency, you know, hata kama vitu ilikuwa saa ingine inaenda namna hii, these ladies have really stood strong with me. Asanteni sana, lady governors, for your strength and making sure that this day is the success that it is. I'd like to recognize PS Betsy Njagi, PS for Blue Economy. Asante sana, and you are our sister and friend here, and the son of the soil. The son of this soil, doctor, the son of the chest of the soil, Dr. Raymond Omolo, who's a PS for Interior, of whom we are proud, that Your Excellency, that you have appointed from Homa Bay, and we thank you. We continue to thank you for having him in your government. We really thank you for that, Your Excellency. I recognize Ahmed Farah, member of the National Investment Council, Filippo Amato, Trade Councillor of the EU delegation, representing the EU delegation here, representing Ambassador Henriette Geiger, Chinese Embassy delegation, who are also here, Netherlands Embassy delegation, our partners from Australia, Anderson Consulting, who have worked with us free of cost, together with our Turkish friends who have come, Mahesh and your team. Really, really feel that we thank you, Anderson.